Welcome back to Islahs Toys. Let's look at all of Arlo's cool cars. He has the Fast and Furious pink car. That's his favourite. We also have the Batmobile. How cool is this one here? And some more little collections that he has. I like the flames on this one. Quite a lot of cars he has. And then he also has his Hot Wheels trailer where he can put all of his cars on. Has a little flap so you can put some cars in there. And then you can also load them in here. Now we also have the car rocket. Let's put some cars in here and see how they go. What should we choose? Oh, the pink one. Vroom, vroom. And I think the Batmobile. Vroom, vroom. Are they ready? On your marks. Get set. Go! Whoa. Both of them rolling because they're going so fast. Come back again soon when we find the rest of Arlo's car collection.